So hello students, as you all are aware that IIT Bombay has released notification for GATE 2021 and they have introduced some changes in the eligibility criteria, syllabus and pattern of the exam. So that we will discuss, but let us first see what are the general information related to GATE 2021. So you have to see exam date. So they have announced that exam will be conducted in between 5 to 14 February 2021 and the exact date paper wise they will announce very soon. Result will be declared on 22nd March 2021. The application timeline is from 14th of September to 30th of September 2020. And you can also apply with late fee up to 7 October. So that is the online mode. You can apply online application form. There is no age limit in GATE 2021. Examination mode is you have computer based test, that is online test will be conducted. And the duration of the exam will be 3 hours. So these are the some general information related to GATE 2021. Now let us see what is the change in the eligibility criteria. Previous year they have not allowed BSc third year, MSc previous year and BTech third year student. But this year they have also allowed BSc third year and pass out student, MSc first year, second year and pass out student can appear, BTech third year and fourth year and pass out student can appear. So these are the eligibility criteria for the GATE 2021 and this GATE score is valid for 3 years. So now we will see GATE 2021 physics syllabus. So as you can see there are total 9 topics, but if you see previous year syllabus they have given only 8 topics and they have merged the topic number 7 and 8, that is solid state physics and electronics. But this year they have again separated these 2 topics, that is you have separate syllabus for solid state physics and electronics. So total there are 9 topics: mathematical physics, classical mechanics, you have electromagnetic theory, quantum mechanics, thermodynamics and statistical physics, then atomic and molecular physics, solid state physics, electronics, and last one is 9th number is nuclear and particle physics. So you have to go through detailed syllabus of each topic and we have given the detailed syllabus in the link given below with this video, so you can download it or you can also download it from the IIT Bombay's website. So before starting your preparation, first step is to go through the detailed syllabus. Only then you can start your preparation. So now we will see exam pattern for GATE 2021. So let us first see number of questions that will be asked in the question paper. So you will see 2 parts. One is the general aptitude part in which there will be total 10 questions. And in physics part you will get 55 questions. So total number of questions will be 65. And these questions will be of 1 mark or 2 mark. So if you see general aptitude, there will be 5 questions of 1 mark and 5 questions will be of 2 marks. So total marks will be 15 marks. So general aptitude section will be of 15 mark. Now if you see physics part, there will be 25 questions of 1 marks and 30 questions of 2 marks. So total number of marks from the physics part will be 85. So 85 plus 15, total marks will be 100 marks. So paper will be of 100 marks. Now we will see type of questions. So if you see previous year question, there will be no multiple select questions. But this time they have introduced the multiple select question. So you have 3 types of question. First is multiple choice question, that you know that 4 options are given and in that only 1 option is correct. In multiple select question, again 4 options are given, but more than 1 options are correct. And third type is numerical answer type question. In these questions, no option will be given. You have to enter the numerical value in the given space. So these numerical value will be, it's a real signed number. For example, you may have some integer value. So let's take an example, 10 or minus 10. You may have to enter fractional value. For example, 10.1. So this is up to 1 decimal place. 10.01 up to 2 decimal place. 10.001 up to 3 decimal place. You can have sometimes negative value also. So normally they will mention you up to what decimal place you have to enter these values. And if it is not mentioned, it is advisable to enter up to 3 decimal places. So in numerical answer type question, you will get these options. Now what are the negative marking in these question paper? So there will be negative marking in multiple choice question only. And what will be negative marking? If you have 1 marks question, for 1 wrong answer, 1/3 marks will be deducted. And for 2 marks question, if you have wrong answer, 2/3 marks will be deducted. And there will be no negative marking for MSQ and NET type of questions. So that is the exam pattern in which we have discussed number of questions, type of questions, and the marking scheme. So in this video, I have discussed general information related to GATE 2021, and you have also seen what are the changes in the eligibility, syllabus, and pattern of the question paper. So hope you all have benefited from this video. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching.